7 a.m. How you doing, everybody? From a Louisiana welcome center here today, we shall be getting into Texas. Yeehaw! I overnighted here at a welcome center, and it's called something else, but it was closed last night. Actually, let's go check it out now. Let's see if we can find out exactly where I am this morning before we get on the road west. Oh, but of course, around 11 p.m. last night, a Class C pulling a car from Quebec parked right next to me and ran their generator, even though the parking lot was wide the hell open every time, man. It's not just Canadians. It's like, I have to cuddle with this other RV. I have to run my generator right next to his bed. There's no other options. It's so weird, man. Every time I talk to RVers, I try to just slap some sense into it. It's like, dude, get away from me. Have some respect, man. I don't get it, man. But anyway, this Louisiana rest area is also home to the Atchafalaya National Heritage Area. Oh, it's an NPS thing. Huh. So the area is run by the National Park System, but this is just a Louisiana State rest area, and it's welcome center. It's pretty cool. We've got some animatronics in here. I swear he was just moving a second ago. There he goes. Hey, turtle. And there's a raccoon that may peek up over the stump here. Oh, look at this alligator skin. Oh, that's just creepy. There's a movie in there. Also, it says it's in progress right now. Maybe I'll come back to it. Let's go outside first. Oh, hey, Mr. Green Turtle. We will still be careful of gators, guys. These ones are harmless. But still pretty cool there, Mr. Toothman. All right. A tiny turtle, and it's really swampy in here. Birds and another gator, and my socks are soaked. I instantly regret walking through here. Let's get back up to higher ground. Are these egrets? I think that's what you call these guys, egrets. Anyways, my last day in Louisiana, because I'm just still trying to get to Texas. And by the way, I never did get a confirmation that my new bank card had been arrived, so it would not have worked to stay and try to have that forwarded to me, because we have flat out run out of time anyway. So hopefully it'll be there at Escapees when I arrive in Livingston, but it's one of those things, man. Gonna be making a change soon to fix this so it doesn't happen again. But for right now, let's get through Louisiana. If there's anything fun, I will definitely stop and share it with you. Yeah, back on I-10 here. The sunshine is trying to peek in. I think we will see some sunshine at some point today. So that's a good thing. Some of these Louisiana roads on the interstate are really rough. Really rough. I've heard stories. I do remember. And I want to apologize up front for the quality of the videos here as I travel west. As you know, if you've been following my channel, we're on a mission to take care of a problem that's out of my control, and so there's not a whole lot of stops, there's not a whole lot of creativity right this moment until I get to Texas, but be patient with me. It's coming. I will make it up to you guys in Texas for the rest of the winter. I promise. Stay tight. Well, I told my buddy Wayne that I would stop in Wayne, Louisiana, and check out the town for him. See, why is this road... You can't see it on the camera. I know it's not going to show up, but these expansions are like 8 inches wide, and it's just atrocious. What the heck? Look off to the right. There's a big steel frog. Oh, we could pull in here, maybe. Eric, you can't drive a Class A around town. Watch me. And yeah, the sun came out. It's peeking through the clouds right now. I want to show you this mural, but I got to face you right into the sun. Right there. Okay, there you go. Big old mural with a big toad. A frog, I mean. Because, look. Frog capital of the world. Wayne, Louisiana. There you go. Did you even know that there was a frog capital of the world? Why does that say rain? Did I say Wayne? Oops. Guess what? This is not Wayne, Louisiana. It's with an R. Rain. Okay, sorry. Actually, I should have just kept calling it Wayne so I get hundreds of hateful comments. Look at this guy. The Frog of Rain, Louisiana. Fantastic detail, buddy. I love the bow tie tuxedo. Oh yeah, looking good. Oh, and he's got the cane. I guess everything I'm gonna try to film today is gonna be right into the sun. Well, anyway, actually hold that thought. It's not my fault that I said Wayne instead of Rain, because the city welcome sign is completely blank right now. Usually this says welcome to Rain. I know what happened though. They probably had some idiot teenagers graffiti it up, so they just painted over it all white, and they're probably getting ready to repaint on welcome to Rain, Louisiana. So, there you go, frog capital of the world. Well, we have to see if our favorite baby gators here, right? Heard they've been doing some remodel here at the Gator Chateau. How do you say that word? Whatever. Let's go find out, Jax. I'm in my buggy, man. I'm in my cat buggy. That's right. King Jax. All right, buddy. I believe they are pet friendly here. Let's go find out. They have definitely remodeled this building since I was last here. It's been a while. Jax, you excited? Want to go see if we can see a gator and give him gator kisses? Yeah, major remodeling here. Christmas tree? Well, I guess it's a Mardi Gras tree, so that counts. But this is their new building here. And there's souvenirs. There's even some magnets over there we'll check out on the way out. But Jax is eager to go see the gators, so we're going to go in. Yeah. What are you looking for, Jax? Did you find anything? Is there anything in there? I see one right through there. A baby. You want to get him? Yeah, I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him. Ooh, look at that one right there. Oh, there's two of them. They're tiny. Wow. Are you impressed? Yeah? Jax, look at this guy. What is it? What is that? You don't want to give him gator kisses? He's very curious. His eyes look like yours. You don't want a pet gator? You don't think we can do it? No? You guys wouldn't get along? Well, you're not hissing. Thank you. He's cute.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Oh, you too. That's awesome.
The gator magnet I'm gonna go with. You got Nemo on top of the magnet. I like that one. All right, and we'll display my gator magnet up here on the board. To anyone else, it's just a normal looking gator magnet with no meaning, but to me, every time I look at it, I'll remember Jax going nose to nose with a baby gator. Oh my gosh, I got such cute pictures of Jax and the gator. I'm gonna put this on Instagram real quick before I get back on the road. That's too cute. All right, posted. Next stop, Texas, y'all. Hello, Texas state line, Orange County, Texas. Yes, and the Texas Travel Information Center, free map and literature. Yes, let's do it. Gosh. It actually feels really good to finally be back in Texas, honestly. Okay. Which way do we go? I can't read that sign yet. Come on. Oh, and I went the wrong way. Well, come on, Texas. Everything's supposed to be bigger in Texas. You wrote that so small and you put it after the Y. Plus, look, all the cars are going over to the truck side anyway. Nobody can read the sign. Maybe I can still get over there. Yeah, I should be fine. I'm just going to go forward and then back into one of these slots. Hang on, there is actually a method to my madness. Let me get parked and I'll share with you my thoughts here. Believe me now, many years of RVing on the road and staying at rest areas has taught me a few things. So the RV and truck section is over here. Okay, or trailers or whatever. There is also smaller sites for Class A's right there, and an additional, I guess, 1, 2, 3 sites here for RVs. And I thought about this very carefully because I want to be able to sleep decently well. So rather than pull up and not know what's going to be behind me, because remember, the rear of my RV, this is where my bed is. So I'm trying to control my environment a little more by backing up all the way to the last stall here. You can't park anything right here, especially not a semi-truck. So I do feel like my bedroom is gonna be far enough away from the trucks tonight that I'm gonna actually get some good sleep. So a little bit of thinking and planning, although, come on, Texas, you have got to make that sign bigger. When we're coming in, you know, 35 miles an hour speed limit, you still cannot tell which way we're supposed to go. Put that sign either farther away or increase the text size, because that's tricky. It's tricky. Texas, my home. It's my new home. It's my transplant home, and look at the size of this star here. The Texas star. That's awesome. So, I don't remember this place. I don't know if I've ever stopped here before, but I don't recognize that building. Let's go get a map and see if there's any coffee. Before we head in though, one word about Texas and kind of half the reason why I changed my residency to Texas, and that is because Texas is such a friendly state to RVers. I mention this every time I get back because I can't stop smiling about how different Texas is. But in the state of Texas, the huge state of Texas with the massive highway system, every single highway, rest area, welcome center, or picnic area allows free overnight parking. Notice I didn't say camping or setting up a tent or anything like that, but free overnight parking for 24 hours for any vehicle. Okay, after 24 hours, you need to move on down the road and find another one. But picnic areas are probably the best ones because it's mostly just cars, vans, like camper vans and small RVs, picnic areas. But you know, you don't have to worry about where you're gonna sleep. If the Walmarts don't allow it in Texas, you can always find a rest area or a picnic center and basically live in Texas for free, boondocking at rest areas, if that's what you wanna do. But, you know, kind of gets old and it's noisy. Helpful employees in there let me know that this place has actually been remodeled and they've made a bunch of changes and improvements to this rest area. So actually, I am sure I have stopped here before, but I don't even recognize it. They've changed it so much. I got a new Texas highway map and a big Texas traveler's guide book because I may be here a little while. They have 3 resident wild gators in these waters here. 3 of them that stay here. And I guess, obviously you're not supposed to, but tourists and people will feed them, and that's a big no-no. But that's also probably why 3 of them stay here. So it's a nice little boardwalk they built so that we can safely come out here and just look around, you know. See anything? I'll be honest with you, this is not the prettiest part of Texas. This rest area, this swampland, this does not represent Texas. Texas is a beautiful state, and I love it. And there's lots of natural areas, and there's lots of campgrounds too. So, plan here. Like I said, I still have not gotten that bank card, and they've already deactivated my other card. So I've got to go in and, I don't know if I'm going to camp at the Escapees Park up there in Livingston, or I'm going to try to boondock at Walmart and Home Depot. But I've got to either figure out if they're really behind with sorting the mail. So I got to go there in person and say, look, I need that card. I need my bank card bad. Or I got to go to a Bank of America there isn't one in Livingston. So I might have to stop by and say, hey, it got lost, of course. I need you to mail me another one or whatever, or take out all my money and go to another bank. Yeah, so that's the plan. Just be patient with me, guys, because I don't know what I'm going to do while I'm in Texas. I've got a lot of stuff to sort out. The bank issue is just one of those issues, so be patient, guys. I'll provide some better video here soon, and I appreciate everything. So you guys be well. Jackson, I'll see you soon from Texas. Bye, guys.